Next, we learn how to operate the CP2000 control system. At the top of the screen is a line of the operation interface menu bar. First, we introduce the task preparation menu. Here, it will display all our stored tasks. At the bottom of the screen is the task management key. Upon entering, we can manage our existing task for deletion. The end production key. Upon entering, we can store and end our current task. Also, we can change the task. The low part task key can selectively allow us to create a new task based on the selected task data. This function can create a brand new task. Input task allows for data changes to the selected task, complete the task's preparation, and permit the task. Counter and speed setting menu. This is the machine's current default speed. Next are the available speeds. In the mechanic pressure state, click the production button and the machine will reach the default speed. We can also use the setting key to preset the speed you want. This button displays the setting of the print quantity, counter switch, manual counter reset key, automatic reset key, waste page count key. At the bottom right displays a daily count, indicating the count for the day, and can be reset at any time. And above this is the printer's total factor. It cannot be modified. Printer preview menu can view our current task information. Here, we can store our current task. Consumables. Here, it will display the usage of some auxiliary materials. Paper run menu. Here is the paper stack information. Here is the paper feeder information. This part is the paper inside the machine's condition. Here is the paper receiver information. Next, we click this printing material parameter menu. Here you can also input the length of the paper, width, thickness, and choose the drive side or the operating side pull gauge. Next, we introduce the printing unit control menu. Here, it displays the thickness of the paper. Select standard pressure. Printing unit pressure pre-selection. Ink transfer roller engagement key. Ink roller engagement key. Dampening unit on or off key. Water trough roller on or off key. Click the conversion key. Middle roller engagement key. Ink fountain roller on or off key. Enter the manual menu. Here you can manually control the printing unit pressure engagement. Manually on or off the ink transfer roller. This is to manually on or off the ink roller plate. Manually on or off the water roller plate. Opening the water and ink control unit, we can adjust the ink color and dampening amount for each printing unit. The principle is to adjust the ink fountain roller and water trough roller rotation range to control the size of the water and ink amount. We can also use the numeric keypad to enter values for changes. Click the ink color cross-section menu. It displays the ink zone, ink amount of each printing unit. We can also use the percentage function key to adjust the ink zone, ink amount. We can also adjust the rotation range of the ink fountain roller here. Next, enter the registration menu. Here, you can adjust the height, left and right and diagonal registration for each plate cylinder. And you can also use the numeric keypad to enter values for changes. The registration value displays 0. This allows the operation to be more intuitive. The plate cylinder registration is zeroed. Then click the pull gauge adjustment key. Here we can make fine adjustment to the pull gauge and front gauge to change the position of the printed text on the paper. Enter the cleaning menu. Here, you can manually execute the cleaning steps. Enter the Forge display menu. This main display box displays all the forge information on our machine. Click the Printing Press overall menu. Here, it displays the forge display of the main part of the printing press. Click the Peripheral Equipment. Here, it will display the forge information of the water tank and powder spraying. Click the Lubrication Center. Here, it displays the forge information of the ink zone. Here, it displays the main part lubrication system forge information. Next, click the wrench to enter Maintenance menu. Here, you can initiate the printing press shutdown procedure. You can also lock the CP software control screen. Click the Date menu to change the date and time parameters. Click the Time Zone menu to set the time zone.